Alrighty legends, just a quick one from me today. I'm running a giveaway on Instagram, and it's Instagram only, so follow along for the video to come and you'll see how to enter. It's giveaway time. If you're excited, you should be. This has been months in the process. There's about $3,900 of prizes all up. Starting straight off the bat with the Vigil stuff is the GME XRS 4 drive pack. This retails at $6.99, includes the antenna as well, and is the exact same one I run in my vehicle. It is the best in the business, hands down. The Bush company have sent in this 16-ton 9-meter Kinetic Snatch rope. Retails at $235. As you can see, it's an extreme quality bit of kit. It's got the wet bag as well. Ryco filters, we've got the crankcase filter assembly kit, otherwise known as the catch can. This is a universal kit that you can fit to any four-wheel drive, and it retails at $229. Up next, Rainger Supply Co have sent in a hoodie and two tees, the Desert Tee and the Beer O'Clock Tee. We all know what they look like. I wear them every day, so get amongst that. Righto, if that wasn't enough, it gets better. Airbag men have come up with an incredible offer. They're going to supply a leaf helper kit or coil helper kit with Tyre Inflation to suit your make and model. It just has to be on their list of products. I've been told this could be up to $2,000 of value. One more vehicle specific kit to finish this off with a bang. Bendix are going to supply a set of front rotors and pads for your vehicle. As long as it's a common vehicle and they're able to get the rotors for it, you should be in the running for that. So all you have to do to enter this awesome giveaway is tag one mate in the comments below and follow all 9 accounts listed and that have supported this giveaway to make this happen. You can enter as many times as you want. Of course, I'll verify all requirements have been met. Once then, we'll get the information of your vehicle, your address, and we'll get all this sent out to you. So what are you doing here now? Get on there and start entering. Yoo!